Hello. Welcome to our tutorial on the read opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into how the read opcode is used to sequentially read records from a procedural file, focusing on practical examples with the EMPHDR file. Let's understand the read opcode. The read opcode in IBM RPGLE is used to sequentially read records from a file. It starts reading from the current position of the file pointer and advances the pointer to the next record after each read operation. Read is typically used in a loop to process all records in a file. Before we proceed with the example, let's review the structure of the EMPHDR record format. EID or employee ID, it's 7 digits, numeric. ENAME or employee name, it's 50 characters, alphanumeric. EDOB or employee date of birth, it's a date field. EDOJ or employee date of joining, again it's a date field. And a key field defined for employee ID. Let's walk through an example program that demonstrates the usage of the read opcode with the EMPHDR file. We have defined EMPHDR as a disk file with key and input capability. We have also declared DS1 as a data structure based on the record format EMPHDR to hold file data. This line, set a level, will position the file pointer at the first record. Now, it will read the first record into DS1 and checks for end of file. To continue the reading till end of file, I have put do while loop, and this loop continues until end of file. The next statement will construct a display message with employee ID and name. Within the loop, program will check if it reaches the end of file by checking if indicator 90 equals on. Once it reaches the end of file, program will come out of loop and set on LR will end the program. Upon execution, the program will output the following messages for each employee record. In conclusion, the read opcode in IBM RPGLE is essential for sequentially processing records in a file. It allows for efficient handling of file data and supports iterative operations to perform tasks on each record individually. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the read opcode in IBM RPGLE by Programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!